with more fun and entertainment from down under. This is one of the better stalls I played at, so I say my best jokes just for you. Okay, here's my big joke. What does the Lone Ranger say when he's taking out his garbage? To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, 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 to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, 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 to the dump, to the dump, to the dump. So, if there's a nation full of pink cars, what do you have? You have a pink carnation. I'm off to a good start. So, where do sheep go to get sheared? To the barber shop. What's the difference between a jeweler and a jailer? One sells watches, the other watches sells. But seriously, folks, I'd rather have a bottle in front of me than a frontal lobotomy. Whoops, gotta go. Someone wants to use the room. Yeah, but I just want to say, may all your flushes be wet ones.